Click the website icon, then go to the Team section. Here is your current team members list. Click the pen icon to edit a team member's information. Upload a photo. Then set the name and surname. You can edit the team member's position and introduction note. Save the changes. If you want to add more team members and the list is empty, first go to the Team tab on the sidebar. Click the Add button. Add a photo. Enter the name, surname, and email address. You can add additional info, but it is optional. Save and return to Website Customization and the Team section settings. The team member we've just added is now available on the list. Click the team member and edit to add the position and description. Save the changes. Let's go to our website to see the results. Clicking on the icon opens a team member's profile with their description.
IKOL, AI for Business.